description.
Alright, hey, how's it going? This is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got a time-honored classic wearing a new suit. It's also got a new brand name. This is Otoki Jin Ramen Spicy. And I really like this range. I have for a long time. They've changed, at least as far as I know, they've changed the cooking regimen. So, we will get to that right now. So, the first thing you do is add in the vegetable mix and bring the water to a boil. So that's what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna spare you watching it being brought to a boil because I have something to show you. So, you know how I keep getting like free stuff on the buy nothing thing? Somebody put a really fancy kind of statusy kitchen accoutrement on there, and I was like, I'll never get it. I said, hey, please consider. I'd love to have this thing, you know. We like to bake once in a while. It's a fun thing for me and my wife to do, and she's always wanted one, so. 24 people asked for it. I got it. Check it out. Look at that. Big freaking KitchenAid mixer. Haven't tried it yet. It's in like mint condition. So the lady who had it, she said that she initially got it out of a pawn shop. All the original stickers are on it. She said she barely used it. I think the initial person who owned it barely used it as well. I don't think this thing has gotten really much, if any use over the years. I think it's pretty much a brand new, mostly unused KitchenAid stand mixer. Plus, it's the Pro version. It's not the one that the thing tilts up. It's the one where you crank it and the bowl lifts up. So that's kind of neat. From what it sounds like, this is a really good one. So, and it was free. I looked them up online. They don't make this model anymore. Used on eBay, they're going for like close to $300. And then she also threw in this pasta roller attachment. So what you do is you make like dough for pasta and you feed it into this thing and it makes sheets of it. So you could use that for like lasagna or other junk. But yeah, I don't know. She wants to make cookies with it. I'm like, do it, do it, do it. So once this is done coming to a boil, it's got microwave instructions too. It's like, who would microwave this? Anyways, add soup base and noodle and cook for 4 minutes. Okay. But yeah, I've been like obscenely lucky lately, and it's like, what's the catch? It feels a little, the universe is smiling a little too much. I'm not saying I'm not complaining, but it's just, wow. I've even been having like perfect luck with eggs, and that's saying something. A lot of the time eggs are just like a trouble spot for me, and I think it's because I'm getting the good eggs. But. So in making this, now it's at a boil, and someone might poo-poo this, but I am dropping this Narutomaki right in. So this is going to go for 4 minutes. Let me throw the other stuff in. I had to break the block because it will not fit in my containment units. And oddly enough, I have really had no need for my scissors today for the sachets, which is nice. Okay, now you get to watch the boil and all that fun in with that. Okay, here we go. Show is on the road. Got the show on the road. Yeah, so big, enormous, heavy cooking accoutrement. So, yeah, went and picked that up yesterday, and then right after we went to my daughter's last softball game of the spring, summer softball. And I got to see her pitch. I've been missing all their games because my leg's been jacked up, and it's so weird because it's like, it was pretty painful sitting on the bleachers, but I could not miss the last game she played of the season. And now we've got her hopefully doing fall ball. So that's rad. She's just getting better at it. It's neat. I like seeing her doing so well. Yeah, it's Thursday. My wife's got a half day. When she goes on break, then after she's done with her break, we're gonna run over to the thrift store. Now I'm thinking like, God, I got all this crap. Why do I need to go to the thrift store? But maybe they'll have some 78s. I don't know. It's ridiculous though. Just like, now I need a larger area to put things because there's no room here. Need more room. Lacking in room. Well, what do you do? You cook noodle. That's kind of like one of the battles I enjoy is when I end up with like lots of noodles, and I've got a decent amount of noodles and more noodles coming. I've got some kind soul from Poland is sending noodles. I've got a package coming from Taiwan. Soon I'll have another one from Project Ramen. You should check them out, projectramen.com. They've got some rad stuff. Who else? I've got a big meet the manufacturer with YY, so I've got all those to clear out. And I've got stuff I've picked up locally in the last month or so. What's funny is I keep finding them at the grocery store down the road, and I really want to review the Nissan Hot Pot Fusions Thai curry. I'm really wanting to find that. That and the bistro, the stupid ramen bistro ones. But they went dark. They offered to send me coupons. They didn't send anything to their PR. It's like, wow. Back when my buddy Scott worked there in marketing and then in sales, I'd be like, yeah, you got this new range. If I even had a chance, he'd be like, dude, we got new stuff. You got a box coming, okay? But that all changed when all these companies got PR firewalls in front of them. And it's really crummy. And all the PR firewalls know is TikTok. That's it. I think it's really stupid. I really don't like them. But yeah, I used to talk to all these guys on the phone. Marshawn, Nissan, Nongshim, all that. Boom, gone. That was like the big change in the industry about, gosh, I want to say almost, what is it, 2025? I think it started about 10 years ago. And it really bums me out a lot. I really miss having these interesting relationships where I could ask them questions and they would just walk over to R&D and like get it answered for me. They don't do that anymore. Oh, can you tell me about this product? Oh, no. Or if you even get a reply. It's like they're spending all this money on PR. PR team knows how to market a product, put up a whole bunch of happy people holding product. But when it comes to like the nuts and bolts of product, they don't know crap. It's like, what made you choose this ingredient instead of this one? Lights on, nobody home. This is a company that's kind of doing that. I've sent them multiple emails. No response. It's like, what did I do to you? I give you guys good reviews? I don't know. Excellent noodle. In fact, possibly my favorite Korean ramen noodle comes from Otoki. Otoki. Here's the broth, deep red. I can already tell it's spicy from what was on the noodle. It's subtle. It's like these guys make some pretty dang good stuff, I gotta say. There are varieties they make that I'm just not into. I really didn't like their spicy cheese one at all. But you want to have something really good, get their jin jambong. Oh my god. Slap some cabbage in that, some seafood, you're good to go. You get to go to heaven. I will allow it. Pop in there? There it is. So what I found, actually by making my daughter ramen for dinner sometimes, that if you boil the narutomaki, it gets big. Look at that. I like that. All right, so let us beautify this ramen. That's all.
Rather a large slice of chashu there.
I'm sorry. Don't get mad at me. Large slice of chashu, yeah. I don't want this piece. Some scallion. Just made fresh eggy wags this morning. That one seems impeccably soft. Okay. Now be kind to me, egg. Don't jump ship. There you go. There you go. Look at you. I want to move you over this way a little bit. Get you over this way a little bit. Cool. What else do we got? We'll do some seeds. Standard seeds. And we're gonna do some pepper thread. And I think we're groovy. Whoa. Come on, pepper thread. That piece? Yeah, I knew I lost a little bit of that. Okay. So quick rotato, and then that'll be that for today. Look at that. New bowl too. Do it. Well, that is it for me today. Thank you very much for watching. There will be more coming up. I don't know which way I'm gonna go next. I might start that meat the manufacturer. I might not just yet. We'll see. We'll see. All right. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye bye.